How to use Wix site members for exclusive content. So just head over first to your Wix editor and then go to your pages and menu. Now in here we have our site menu. Head over right here to your members area. So you need to have your member page first. So I have already added that particular page, and when you click on that, you should be able to see what it looks like. So this page is only available for those who have actually signed up to your actual website. Now, from in here, you can also have the option to add a custom member page. For example, let's head over and then we can click on this add customer or custom member page. And when you click on that, this will actually ask you for this particular case right here. And you can click on this add custom member page. And then just wait it out to load right here. As you can see, a custom member page has been added. Now you can head over and click on the three dots and click on the settings right here. Now you can change the name, and you can also hide this from menu if you want. And you can see in here the layout. And from there, this is the one that we have, which is the permissions. It needs to be a members only. And if you want this for your site members for exclusive content, you can click on this only selected members or paying customers. So you can also select your member roles if you want, like site collaborator, and you can also add a new role in here, and you can also select it here from your pricing plans in order to add this. So all the people on our VIP plan will be added or will be able to access this particular page right here. So once you have done that, you should be able to do this anymore. So that's how you use Wix site members for exclusive content. Hope we helped.